question. Shekhar is the best boss one can get?
I've seen Shekhar mostly as a very supportive manager.
I would rate Shekhar as one of the best boss I ever worked with.
Shekhar is a believer and a tough taskmaster.
Shekhar has built up a momentum and ACI India took off to make a history.
Yeah, I agree.
And it's been a wonderful journey so far.
The first 6 months of joining ACI, all I could think of was quitting.
This new company was trying to establish its credibility into the Indian market.
There were 18 defaulting customers, a long court battle.
Prior to 2011 have been most difficult days for ACI India.
We were getting heavily pushed back in our efforts due to the guerrilla tactics of our ex-distributor.
An environment where customers are willing to fight it out with us, customers don't want to listen to us, customers want us outside the door.
At that time, the only driving force that kept us all together was Shekhar Ganpati.
He's the one who took me for my first meeting, introduced me to Punjab National Bank, and guess what the GM had to say? He spoke about blacklisting us, he spoke about throwing us out, getting to the Reserve Bank of India, etc. Guess what Shekhar does? Keeps his patience, keeps his cool, comes back. While I am drained out, he's the one who pumps energy back into me and says, let's go. So that's the kind of person we are talking about.
Most of the times, even customers refuse to recognize ACI as a company.
We were feeling very low, depressed, demotivated at that time. I'm sure Shekhar must be feeling the same, however, he never expressed it.
He is one guy who's been patient right throughout, who's seen the turbulent times, got us out of that mess, brought us where we are today. He's been supportive absolutely all the time. You reach out to him, all you have to say is, Shekhar, I need advice. And you see a completely different form. He's no longer a boss. He's a mentor, he's a coach. He's willing to listen to you, he's willing to guide you, and not just with individual contracts. We're talking about overall. I've actually come to him with problems for my 2-year-old and 1-year-old as well. He's guided me on that. What more do you want?
He was the only one who believed that there is light at the end of this tunnel. You give him a difficult task, he will ensure he makes the victory even more sweeter.
Every such moment, Shekhar got it over by bringing in fresh ideas, strategies that actually release the fresh part of energy into the team.
He's got this strange knack where he'll ask you that one single question, which is your weakest link in the strategy, in the sales strategy. And when trying to close a deal, when looking back, you realize that that was the piece that was missing, which probably could have become a hurdle. And that's one of the major value add that I see working with Shekhar.
It's difficult being a boss, meeting numbers, meeting all the challenges the company has to throw your way.
He's more like a math guru. He loves numbers, backlog numbers, net numbers, rev rec numbers. He quite like those and he wants it to be accurate.
He is willing to learn. He is willing to hear concepts from you. He is willing to hear new thoughts and ideas which you bring across to the table and have a fruitful debate. If he likes it, if he accepts it, that's it. He can actually go all the way trying to convince anyone in the system to make that thing happen within the boundaries of the laws and regulations of this company.
He has a quadrant for every situation. A tough situation, and he has a quadrant ready to solve it too.
A person who's always been there to help. And what is so different about Shekhar is his premonitions, his eye for detail, and the way he kind of walks you through step by step in each deal. The close plan becomes so easy to think through and visualize. One of the good things about Shekhar is while he knows exactly what the deal is and what the bank is like, he also knows how to engage with the customer and how to kind of make the client feel comfortable and speak not just technology but multiple other things across the board.
And Shekhar is the epitome of that.
Someone you look up to when you're in a tough situation.
He takes more of a share of his blame than the less of share of his credit. That makes him a great leader and a very good boss.
He guides us and most important, he
appreciates you for a job well done. As a person, he is very down to earth, he is approachable, has a good sense of humor, and most importantly, he motivates you to excel.
He is the buddy you want when you go out partying. I have seen a completely different form of Shekhar. Gets up on the tables, dances, goes across to the other group, dances with them. You are scared what's going to happen. He is not. He is the one you love to be around when you do the party.
He's a different person entirely when he's partying, when out of office and not a boss at that time. He just has to be 2 pegs down.
It's words can't describe what a great manager he is.
Keep this momentum, keep this attitude, and great guns. Fun working with you, fun being with you, and we hope we have a long innings together.
It's been a wonderful time working with him and learning.
We have been really lucky to be part of this magical journey.
It's my privilege that I got an opportunity to work with a leader like a Shekhar.
Thank you, Shekhar. It's only because of you that Team India has seen such victory.
And all the best to you, Shekhar.
Make way for the boss.